Hi, I'm Parv Sains, Consultant General and Colorectal Surgeon at Goring Hall Hospital. I've got a special interest in hernia repair, investigation of bowel problems such as hemorrhoids and rectal bleeding, and the treatment of gallstones. A hernia results from a weakness in the external muscles surrounding the internal organs. Now, the organs push through the weak muscles to form a lump or a swelling on the abdomen or the groin. There's a variety of different hernias. Hernia repair involves pushing the bulging tissue back behind the muscles. The muscle is then repaired with stitches, and then a mesh may be used to reinforce the repair itself. The benefits of hernia repair are relieving the pain and a reduced risk of strangulation of the hernia. The operation is normally done as a day case, and patients can expect to make a full recovery after about 6 weeks. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation, then you can book in online or contact Goring Hall Hospital directly.